Hi, today I'll quickly show you how to deploy a Runway ML Stable Diffusion model into the Inferless platform. So to start, you can just click on Add a Model. Then you need to select the model's training framework. So for Stable Diffusion, I know it's PyTorch. Then on the next step, it will ask you where do you want to import the model from. So currently, I'll use Hugging Face's model repo to import the model. So here I have already connected my Hugging Face account, and it also asks you to create a GitHub account where you can change the code of the model later. So I'll select my personal GitHub. After this, it will ask me for the model settings. So here I'll put the name as Stable Diffusion. I'll select the model type as a diffuser model. I'll select the task type as a text to image. Then I'll go to my Hugging Face repository and just copy the model name. Then I'll quickly paste the model name in the model URL parameter. Then it will ask me to give a sample input and output. So I've already created a sample input and output. So I'll just quickly paste it. Once we have given it all the input parameters for the model, which is like a sample input, output, and the model URL, we can quickly click on continue. So in this step, in the back of the process, we'll quickly check your model URL and try to see that all the data that points that we need for importing the model are correct. Once this validation is complete, we move to the next step. It will ask you to choose a model runtime to deploy the model. So right now I'm going to go with PyTorch default. For the min scale, I'll keep one replicas, and max scale, I'll keep two replicas. Optionally, you also have an option to set up the automatic builds here. So you can just use this callback to configure the model automatic builds, but I'll not configure it for now. On the last stage, it will ask you to just review all the settings. So it is a PyTorch model based on from Hugging Face, and these are all the input and output parameters. Once we know all of this, we can quickly click on submit. Once we click on import, the model imports start happening. After this, we quickly go to the, like once the model is imported, it will show up here. We can quickly click on here. Here we can go to the API page to actually see that we have a curl command in which we can quickly copy the model. Uh, Here we can also change the sample input. So I'll just do a quick run. So once we run the model, we see that the output has been generated into a base 64 encoded image. So I'll just quickly copy this image. So here you see there's a cat in the image inside a mountain. So yeah, we have quickly deployed a ML model in production from using Hugging Face. Uh, so furthermore, if you even want to customize this code to do a couple of post processing after this, you can quickly go to the GitHub repo which is created for this model. Here, if you see, we've already written a base code, so you can change the info function here to add your custom code and then call multiple models together also.